Good morning, dear children. You might have understood the previous videos, and that might have helped you to understand the lesson 2, Nutrition in Animals. As we have reached the last part of it, today we will study about the feeding and digestion in amoeba. Before that, I would like to tell you about cell, which you will find in lesson 1, Nutrition in Plants, page number 2. You can refer that page to understand the cell. The body of all living organisms are made up of cells. Cells can be seen only under microscope. Some organisms are made up of single cell and are called as unicellular organisms. And many are multicellular organisms having many cells. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called the cell membrane. Most cells have a distinct centrally located spherical structure called the nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. So let us see the diagram. This is the diagram of cell. It is an animal cell. As you can see, the labelings done. Cytoplasm, which is the inside the cell, between the nucleus and the cell membrane, it is jelly-like. The outer covering cell membrane, and inside there is a spherical structure called nucleus. You can also see one more labeling, that is mitochondria, but it is an organelle, and like that there are many organelles inside the cell which you will study in higher classes. So children, let's begin with digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular microscopic organism found in pond water. It is a simple living organism. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a round dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm which helps in the digestion. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. Amoeba feeds on other microorganisms found in its surrounding. When it senses any food, it sends out finger-like projections called pseudopodia around the food particle to engulf it. Within a food vacuole, the digestive juices act on the engulfed food to break down into simpler substances that are absorbed by the amoeba. The undigested, unwanted substance is thrown outside the body through the vacuole. The absorbed substances are used for the growth of, maintenance and multiplication of the cell. So this is the diagram of amoeba. As you can see, one is enlarged and other it shows you the steps how the food vacuole or food particle gets inside the pseudopodia and it digests. So let us see. So these you can see now, children. These are the pseudopodia. This is the food particle. This is the nucleus. As you can see, the food particle enters into the amoeba. So let us understand this. Amoeba takes in food by using pseudopodia. When a food particle comes near amoeba, then it produces two pseudopodia around the food particle and surrounds it. The two pseudopodia then join around the food particle and traps the food particle. The food is digested in the food vacuole. The digestive enzymes break the food particle into simpler substances. In this way, food gets digested. The digested food present in the food vacuole is absorbed by the amoeba. So now you can see how the food is absorbed. You can see here the nucleus, the food particle when it comes near and it surrounds, the pseudopodia surrounds the food particle, and then you can see the food vacuole is trapped and it is inside. So now when a considerable amount of undigested food collects inside the amoeba, then its cell membranes suddenly ruptures at any place of it, and this undigested food is thrown out from the body. So you can see here it is written digested waste. You can see, I hope, digested waste. So this is how the amoeba removes the food out of removes the waste out of its body. So children, I hope you might have understood this, and you might have also followed that the amoeba also follows a holozoic nutrition like human beings. The 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and finally egestion of waste. So hopefully you have understood this. So that's all for today. Thank you.